Hey guys, welcome back. We're doing another gasoline full auto trader update today. So I did end up canceling one of my accounts just because I didn't want to have it rebill for the full price when there's a 90% sale going on. So remember, there's a 90% sale on Apex. If you guys want, there's a code in the description. You can buy some accounts 90% off. But to get started, little update. The accounts, the two accounts that I still have because I canceled the last one, are up about $2,500 on the week per account. So that's about $5,000 on the week, which I'd say is pretty good. I just picked up some new accounts today, 3 new accounts. So I will be running those as well. So yeah, up about $5,000 total on the week. We need about $9,000 in profit to pass. So we really need one good day. We need one good day, maybe 2 mediocre days on the accounts. So you can see we're getting pretty close to passing here on both of these accounts, right? So yeah, gasoline trader worked pretty well this week. You know, these are the trades since we've got the account. This big dip, well, the minus 2,300, that was a glitch in the software, which we got fixed. So this should have maybe been like an $1,100 loss. And the rest of the days, we've only actually had, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 days in the negative. The rest of the days, either some small wins or around $1,000 profit on average. So yeah, the accounts are up pretty good. Need this first account needs about $4,000 profit. This one needs about $1,500. So hopefully, you know, a good solid week, maybe 2 weeks on this account, get it passed. This account, hopefully this week, can get that passed. And then we will start running it on the PA. But besides that, the gasoline trader developer, you guys know him in the Discord, he is working on a consistency update. So it takes into account the actual price of gasoline, and you know, if it's too expensive or whatnot, and it takes that into account as well. So we're working on some updates to hopefully have it be more consistent. But yeah, this past week, pretty consistent. We had 1 red day and then 4 green days. So we had, right about here, $800, then a $900 loss, then a $1,350 win, then a $1,200 win. I think the first day was we had a $1,100 win, or no, 13, yeah. So it was right here. This was last week, 1,400, 800, minus 900, 1,300, 1,200. So pretty good, pretty good. Just wanted to give you guys a little quick update on the accounts so you have full transparency. And also the Discord is running 20% off till the end of the night tonight with the Polarity course or just regular membership for the live streams. So if you want to join that, it ends tonight. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this little update, and I'll see you guys in the Discord.